Tired of printing, signing, and scanning contracts? There's a much easier way. Today, we'll show you how to sign contracts seamlessly using DocuSign. First, you'll receive an email notification from DocuSign with a link to the document requiring your signature. Click on the Review Document button in the email. This will take you to the DocuSign platform. You may be prompted to agree to DocuSign's terms and conditions before proceeding. Now, the contract will load. Carefully read through the entire document to ensure you understand all the terms and conditions. DocuSign will often guide you through the signing process with a colored tab. Click on the first tag indicating where your signature is required. A window will pop up asking you to adopt a signature. You can either choose a pre-formatted style or draw your own signature using your mouse or trackpad. Once you're happy with your signature, click Adopt and Sign. This will apply your signature to the designated field. Repeat this process for all other required fields, such as initials or dates, indicated by the colored tabs. After you've completed all the required fields, click the Finish button in the top right corner of the screen. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that you've successfully signed the document. You'll also receive a completed copy of the contract via email for your records, and that's it.